So today we will start conic section. Hmm. Conic section part 1. Why it is called conic section? Section is a plane which comes out when we cut from a plane to any other body. Suppose we have an apple. If we cut with the knife, or we are cutting with the plane, or there is a ball, if we cut from the plane like this, so then uh, the upper part will be circular. This is a ball 3D diagram, okay, and we are cutting with some plane like this. So the after cutting, the plane which we get is a circle. So that is called a section. So section of a circle is a section of the plane when it is passing through the center of the sphere, and it cuts the sphere and passing through the center of the sphere, then the section will be a circle. So section is a part when after cutting from the plane, if we cut something by the plane and the surface that will come out in order to cutting that one, that is called the section. So that is why it is called conic section, because we are taking the cone and we are cutting by the plane. So these all which figures, whatever the figures we are getting, that will be the section of the cone by cutting a plane. So before that, we should know what are the main things here. This is called double napped cone, because it is having two naps. So one is upside down and one is straight. So it is called double napped cone. So that is called upper nap, and this is called lower nap. Got it? So just you have to think about 3D diagram. This is the 3D diagram, and this line which is passing from the vertex to the base and up to the top of the upper nap, this is called the axis of the cone. And these lines, actually, when if you see that cone is the generator of the line. In 2D diagram, we generate by the points, any diagram, and in 3D diagram the generator is a line. So this is the generator. It is not so much important for you, generator, but you should know that this is the axis, and which is making with the generator this angle we are denoting by alpha. Okay, and this is a plane. This plane will cut the cone, and this plane can be straight. It can cut in different angles with the axis of the cone. This is the axis of the cone, and this plane is making an angle of beta. It can make 90 degree, 45 degree, and it can pass parallel to this, will not make any angle. So then in each case you will find the different sections. For example, if we take a simple example of cone, if you will cut a cone, this is a cone. Okay, so this cone, if you will cut with the plane which is making 90 degree, this is the plane which is cutting this cone, this plane. Okay, and it is at 90 degree. 90 degree, it is making beta as 90 degree with the vertex of the cone. What will be the section? Section will be a circle. We will get the circle. Okay, so we will see the different conditions. So you should know beta is the angle between the axis and the plane, and alpha is the angle which the axis of the cone makes with the generator. So now we will see in different condition what will be the angle of beta and alpha, and what will be the section in each case. So we will get circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. So when the plane cuts the nap other than the vertex of the cone, yes, cuts the nap, means this plane should not pass from this point. This is the nap. Okay, you can see my cursor. This is the nap. Here if you will pass from this point, it will not make any section, because this is a point. So it should pass other than the vertex when beta is equal to 90 degree, that I have shown you, I will show you again. If beta is 90 degrees, see this figure. Here, beta is 90 degree. If the plane is passing from 90 degree, you can see the section. Inside the section, it is visible. This section is what? Circle. We are getting what? Circular part. The part will be a circular part. This is when the plane is perpendicular, this part, you can see this part. This part is a circle. Okay. So this is the circle. Then if you will see that alpha, beta is greater than alpha but less than 90 degree, beta, this angle beta is greater than alpha and less than 90 degree, then this plane will be somewhat tilted. You will get the oval shape, not the circular shape. This is oval shape, and that's why then you will get ellipse, that is called ellipse. Okay. And when beta will become equal to alpha, the third one, when beta and alpha same, then this plane will be parallel to one of the, this is one of the generator. So in this case, it will make this line. You can see this line. This is a parabola. So you will get the parabola. But when the next condition, when the, this is alpha is equal to beta. When beta is less than alpha, when beta is less than alpha, so then the plane will tilt it more. Yes, Afnan, I saw your chat. Okay, okay. So it is tilted more now. So then it will make two types of parabola. You can say this is also a one of the section is on the upper nap and one of the section is on the lower nap. So two types of figures will be getting, that is called hyperbola. So we are getting in the three cases, in all these cases, we are getting the different sections, and according to that sections, we have the figures. We are getting the figures. So in this case, first case, you will get the section as what? Circle. The diagram will be a circle. Okay. And in this case, you will get second case when beta is making not 90 degree but more than alpha. In that case, the figure that you will get, that means the section of the plane and the cone will be ellipse. This is circle. In this case, we will get ellipse. In this case, we are getting the figure like this. This is called parabola. So this figure is called parabola. Like this, you will get the figure like this. It will never end at any point. It will go to infinity like this. It will also. And here you are getting the two figures at equal distance. There will be a line. So here you will get the figure like this, upper and lower. If you are getting upper and lower parts of parabola, upper and lower. But this is not called parabola. These two figures together called hyperbola. So this is called parabola and this is called hyperbola. So we will start from one by one figure. We will start from circle, and this is the definition in 3D. But there are other definitions of are also there. If we talk about the circle, okay. So circle is a locus or set of all the points. If you are getting, suppose this point you have fixed a point O, and all the points which are at a fixed distance, let's say 5 units, 5 centimeter, the point which are at 5 centimeter, if you will make the set of all that points, this is called the circle, and it is also called the locus. Locus is the tracing of the figure by the point under some conditions. So this point, if a point will move like this, which remains at a 5 distance, so it will make a circle. So this fixed point is called the center, and this boundary is called the circumference, and this distance is called the radius. So this is the definition of the circle. So center and radius, you already know about the circle. So now how to write? Our main aim is writing the equations of the conic section. So equations of the circle. So first of all, we will study the circle. This is, as I told you, it is a circle of radius. This is the radius from center to any point radius, if you know already. So now we will study the equation of a circle in 2D coordinate geometry. We are doing coordinate geometry. So x-axis, y-axis, this is a circle, and its C center is having the. We used to use the coordinates of the center as HK and any point on the circle as P. So if you find the equation of this circle, this is the radius, and radius is the distance between these 2 points. So you can put the distance formula. So radius will be equal to the distance between PC. R is equal to what? Distance between PC. So distance between PC is equal to what? Under root x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. So we can write x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square under the root is equal to the radius, and squaring both sides. So we get the equation of the circle. So we can write the equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where center is hk and radius of the circle is r. Okay, so very simple. If the radius, the point of center and radius are given, we can find out the equation. For example, example number 1, find an equation of the circle with center and radius r. So example, we are taking example number 1. Center is 0, 0. Okay, when center is given and radius is given, we can use this formula, and radius is r, already r. So we can put in this equation center 0, 0 means h. What is the value of h? 0. Center are denoted by hk. So h is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, r is equal to r. Put in first. Therefore, the required equation of given circle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. So x square plus y square is equal to r square is the required equation of the circle. You remember this formula? We will do the question on this formula when center and radius are given. We can start the exercise now. So in the beginning of exercise 11.1, center and radius are given. We know that equation of a circle is x minus h. So question number 1, 11.1. Here center is 0, 2, 0, 2, and radius is radius is equal to 2. So that means center means hk. So h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 2. So equation of, therefore the equation of circle is, we can put, use first formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, and substitute the values here. H is equal to 0, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square, that is 4. So we get x square plus a minus b whole square, y square minus 2 to the 4y plus 2 square 4 is equal to 2 square 4. This 4 will come this side, it will cancel. So we get the equation of circle x square minus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. So all are similar till question number 5. Just you have to put the value and find out the equation. Question number 5 I'll do now. Second, third, fourth you can try. You can ask if you will not get the answer. So center is in question number 5. Center is minus a minus b, and radius is equal to under root a square minus b square. So our formula will be x minus minus a, x minus h whole square. Same formula, this formula we are using, plus y minus minus and minus b, because k is minus b whole square is equal to r square. R is under root a square minus b square whole square. So it will become x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to, and square root will cancel, a square minus b square. Or you can simplify it also, otherwise it's an answer, x square plus 2ax plus a square plus y square plus 2by plus b square is equal to a square minus b square. This a square will cancel with this, b square will come this side. So we can write x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus constant terms 2b square. So we used to write in this way, first squares, then x, y, and then constant term. And always x square, y square, you will find either they will have no coefficients or they will have same coefficient in circle. So that we will study next in equation of a circle in general form. Now our question is the opposite of this one. Here the center and radius is given, we have to find the equation. Here equation is given, we have to find the center and radius. So question number 6. X plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 36. This is the given question, correct? Now whenever it is given in this format, it is very easy. X minus h means we can write minus minus 5, because we have to compare it with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So y minus is already there, so no need to change, and this can be written as x square. And when you will compare it with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So we get, instead of h, 5, h is equal to minus 5, and k is equal to 3, and r is equal to 6. Therefore, required center is minus 5, 3, and radius of the circle is 6. Okay. The problem comes when we have not given in this format, like in the next question. So there are two ways. Either we should study separately about the general equation of the circle and then we can do it, or if we use only this formula, then we have to make the perfect squares that we did in class 10th. Okay, this is the one way when we were using x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this has some limitations. If you can write like this, then only you can find the center and radius. So writing this into this is somewhat difficult. We can do it, no problem. We can add and subtract minus b upon 2a whole square and we can make the whole square for x and y and then bringing right hand side the values. So that is more complicated. So before that, if you want to avoid this one, you can have to study the general equation of a circle. General equation of a circle is, this is the general equation of a circle. You have to remember x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If any equation is written in this format, it will always represent a circle. So what will be its center? So its center will be equal to now minus g minus f. Minus g minus f will be its center. Okay. So we can find by comparing it with this one. Compare it with this one to get the center, like we have done in x minus h plus y minus k, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So comparing that, the previous question where there we compared it with x minus h, y minus x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square and is equal to r to get the h and k. And radius here, radius is equal to, center will be minus g minus f. And in the equation g, f are positive, finding g, f and then change the sign. And radius will be equal to under root. So g, f and c. Once you will find g, f and c, we can find the radius and the center of the circle. The formula is g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so let us take question number 7 and do it by this way. The question is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0. You have to just take care of this negative sign. So while finding, we will equate directly and then we can change the sign to get the center. So this is the given equation. Okay, so this you compare, this is suppose okay, I'll write here only. So compare first with general equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So how we are comparing this? Minus 4x is equal to 2gx. So 2g or x are same. If you will write x also, it will cancel minus 4x. So x always cancels. So we can compare directly. 2g is equal to minus 4. So g is equal to minus 2. Now g is minus 2. Similarly, compare 2f with the coefficient of y, that is minus 8. So f is equal to minus 4. And c, constant term is 45. So c is equal to 40, sorry, not 45, minus 45. C is equal to minus 45. Now we can find the center. Center is minus G minus F. That means whatever G you are getting from the equation, you have to change the sign. So this is minus 2, so this will become 2. F is minus 4, so it will become 4. So center is this one. Okay. Then while finding the radius, now G and F are this G and this F you will use. So the radius is equal to under root G square. That means minus 2 square plus F square. That is minus 4 square minus C minus 45. C is already negative. So that's why you get 2 square is 4. 4 4 is 16 plus 45. So 16 4 20 40 65. Under root 65. So radius is under root 65 and center is, we have to find the center and radius. So this is the another way of finding the radius and center, and finding the equation also, comparing the equation, solving. There are many questions. Every question can be done by using this general equation of a circle. So we can do it by this one, same way, comparing. Whenever you have question number like question number 9, it's very important. When you have given 2x square, I told you the coefficient of x square and y square should be 1. Minus x is equal to 0. Now you cannot compare directly. First, these two coefficients of x and y, it must be 1. It must be equal to 1. So make it 1 first. Before making, you cannot start doing it. So, and always you will get the same coefficients. Otherwise, it will not represent the circle. If the coefficients of x square, y square are not same, it will not represent the circle. So that's why you will get always same term, and you will same coefficient, and you can divide by 2 whole equation. If you will divide the whole equation divided by 2, the equation is divided by 2. So we get x square plus y square minus 1 by 2x is equal to 0. Now we can find the center. So it will be compared with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. You can do this question also by using this minus g minus f and find gf and radius under root f square plus c g square plus f square minus c, and we can find fgh and put here. Both we are correct. So now comparing it with this one, so 2gx, so 2g is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. And 2f, f is not there, y term is not there, so 2f is equal to 0. C is also not there, so c is equal to 0. So on comparing, we get g is equal to minus 1 by 4, f is equal to 0, and c is equal to 0. And what we have to find? We have to find the center and radius. So center is minus g minus f. Center is, you know, that minus g minus f. So minus g minus sign will cancel. Sign will be cancelled. So we get the center as change, not cancel. Sign will change. Minus will become plus, and 0 is 0. There is no sign for 0. So center is this one. Find the radius. The formula for finding the radius is under root g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus c. There is no square on c. Remember this. Under root g square means minus 1 by 4 square plus f square means 0 square minus 0. So under root 1 by 4 means 1 by 16 when you put the root 1 by 4, because radius cannot be negative. So radius is 1 by 4 and center is minus g and minus f. If any Suppose this is a circle and it is passing through a point P, so it will always satisfy. I told you in line also, if any point is on the line and is on any figure, any curve, any parabola, hyperbola, so that will satisfy the equation of that curve. Parabola, hyperbola, circle, all are curves. So find the equation of the circle passing through the point. Now there is a formula also, the equation of a circle passing through two given points. Equation of a circle, you can remember it. Okay, one more formula you write, equation of a circle. This is a formula. Next formula, equation of a circle end points of the diameter are given, not the passing. Equation of a circle with end points of the diameter as with end points of its diameter are given. Diameter, not passing through. If it will pass from any point, we will put. But this is the particular case, not going to use here. But just I am telling you, this is the new formula that you have to remember. AB is a diameter if AB is a diameter and endpoints of the diameter are given, means the coordinates of the endpoints are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then the equation will be equation of circle in this case can be used as directly x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the another case that will come. Now we are going back to question number 10. Find the equation of the circle passing through. So better to draw the diagram to understand. This is a circle, suppose, and the rough diagram you should always draw. It is passing through the 2 points. So if one point A is on the circle whose coordinates are 4, 1. There is another point which is also lying on this circle B. Its coordinates are 6 and 5. And whose center is on the line. This line, the center is on the line x minus 3y minus 11. So this is the center of the circle C or O, whatever you say. So O, center O lies on x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay. Now I am using general equation of the circle. Okay. So first we will let the equation of the circle be that general form. When it will pass through this, we can put x and y. We will apply these conditions one by one. First condition, then second condition, then third condition. Before that, we have to see that let the equation, we have to suppose that let the equation of the given circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 1. So now we will apply first condition A. When A lies, now first condition A, that is 4, 1, lies on first. So when any point lies on the circle we can put, instead of x we can put 4 and y 1. 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f, no, gx is 4, 2g 4, 2gx plus 2fy, y is 1 plus c is equal to 0. Solve this. 5, 4, 4 is 16 plus 1 plus 4 2 is 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So we get 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. This is equation number 2. So we will get 3 equations in G, F and C. 3 conditions are given because we have 3 unknowns. G, F and C are unknown in any circle. If we know these, we can find, we can write the equation, we can write anything for that given circle. So here we need to have 3 conditions to get 3 equations and solving them to get the value of G, F and C. So first condition satisfied because A will satisfy the equation. So we get the first equation between G, F and C. Similarly, point B also lies on this one. So 6, 5 also lies on first. So again, we will put instead of x, 6, 6 square plus y is 5, y square plus 2gx, x is 6 plus 2fy, y is 5 plus c is equal to 0. So 6 2s are 12, 12g plus 5 2s are 10f plus c is equal to 6 6 are 36 and 5 5 are 25. 6 to 5 11, carry 1 3 4 5 61. So minus 61. This is your equation number 3. Okay. Now, second condition satisfied. Now the problem comes here. How to do it? You know that the center coordinates of, what are the coordinates of center? We have the coordinates of center is, as I told you, that is equal to minus g and minus f. Okay. So this center will have minus g and minus f. Coordinates of center is minus g minus f. And minus g minus f will lie because center lies on this line. Okay. Number I forgot to give this number. Okay, I'll give first. Greek first. Okay. So this will lie on. So therefore minus g and minus f. Minus g and minus f lies on first. When it lies on first, x can be replaced by minus g. So we get minus g minus 3. Y is replaced by minus f. Minus 11 is equal to 0. So we get minus g minus minus plus 3f, and 11 you can bring right inside. This is equation number 4. Now we got second, third and fourth. Solve these 3 equations. We will solve these 3 equations to get the values of G, F and C. Okay. So 3 equations. How to solve these 3 equations? You can see that C, always you will get C. So you can subtract from any, this is bigger, so 3 minus 2, then when you subtract second from third, you will get the equation in G and F. That will be solved with this equation number 4. So equation number 3 minus equation number 2. So 3, what is equation number 3 is 12g, 12g plus 10f, 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. This should be subtracted from second equation, that is 8g plus 2f plus C is equal to minus 17. Okay. Now sign will be changed. This will be minus, 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 plus. So C will cancel. This C will cancel. So 12G minus 8, 4G, and 10 minus 2, 8F is equal to 61 minus 17, 11, 7, 7, 4, 5 minus 1, 4, 44. 40, 50, 61 years, 44. Negative 44. And just check if it is divisible by any number, so it is divisible by 4. All terms can be divided by 4. So this will give you the equation number 5. G plus 4 to the 8 to F equal to minus 11, equation number 5. Okay. So this is equation number 4. This is equation number 5. Now solve 4 and 5 to get the value of G. So I am doing it here only. I'll change the. Okay. So you can subtract directly or add. This is minus G, so we can add. Just check if already the sign are different, we can add them. So add, we are adding, add 4 and 5 equation, 4th and 5th equation. G and G will cancel. 3 plus 2, 5F, and minus 11 plus 11, we are getting 0. So F is equal to 0. And F is equal to 0, put in 4th. So F is equal to 0, minus G is equal to 11. So G is equal to minus 11. When F and G will come, we can put F and G in any equation where C is there. In second equation, put all these values in second equation. Put in second equation. The second equation is 8G. 8 into G. So 8 into minus 11. 8G plus 2F. F is 0, it will become 0. C is also C we have to find. So plus C is equal to minus 17. So C will be equal to minus 17 and plus 88. So 88 minus 17. So 8 minus 7, 1, 8 minus 1, 71. So we got the values of F, G, and C. So therefore, we have F is equal to 0, F is equal to 0, G is equal to minus 11, and C is equal to 71. All these values put in first to get the equation of the given. Circle all values, put in equation number 1. We get x square plus y square plus 2g, g is minus 11, x 2gx plus 2fy, f is 0, plus c 71 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get the equation x square plus y square minus 22x plus 71 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle, which is the required equation of circle. So like this, we have to apply the given conditions. The second question is the same question, passing through the point like this. This is also passing through the point and whose center lies on the line. So this question is your homework. You can do it. And find the equation of the circle with radius and whose center lies on x-axis and passing through the point. Question number 12. As I told you, you have to draw the rough figure. Center lies on x-axis. That means its center is on x-axis. This is the center. That means you have to draw a circle so that its center should be on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis. Radius is 5 centimeters. So radius R is 5 centimeters. and center lies on x-axis and passing through the point, and any point P is somewhere where 2, 3, it is passing through the point 2, 3. So these are the given conditions. So center on x-axis. X-axis, what is the equation of x-axis? Because center lies on this line, which is x-axis. So equation of x-axis is x-axis is y is equal to 0 and passing through 2, 3. So that means any point on x-axis we can do by the first way also. This is easier because C center. So any point on x-axis is equal to, on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So we can take x0. So its center can be taken as x0. Center will be x0. So then no need of this equation. And this distance, you can have the distance also 5 centimeter radius. So you can use that formula. X minus h, center is x minus x. H is this one. No, you can put x as h, and k is 0. So x minus x whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, x minus 2, sorry. Then another x we can take this one distance. Oh, okay. No, do not compare it with that one. We can have the distance formula. Directly the distance between PC is equal to, the distance between PC is what? 5. So PC, distance between PC is the radius, PC is equal to 5, and we can put the formula of distance. So x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square under the root. This is the distance PC, which is equal to 5, and solve it. We can get x minus 2 whole square, x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and squaring both sides, so 5 will become 25. So we get the answer x square minus 4x plus 13 minus 25 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we are using the distance formula, that will become easier to solve. So you have to check that which one is easier, you can apply that one. Today we'll complete the circle. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercept A and B on the axis. Yes. Question number 13. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and the circle is making intercept on x and y-axis. That means circle will pass on y-axis and x-axis. Yes, it will pass like this. It is making an intercept on x-axis as A and intercept on y-axis is B. This is the intercept on y-axis. And circle passing through 0, 0. Oh, sorry. This line will be here because circle is passing through 0, 0. So circle will pass from this point, not that point. Circle will pass from 0, 0. So from 0, 0, it will make an intercept on x-axis and it will make an intercept on y-axis. Like this, the circle is passing and it has intercept on x-axis as A and intercept on y-axis as B. Okay. A x-axis, it is intersecting at x-axis at point A and at point B, and it is also passing from the origin Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Yes. A, what will be the coordinates of A? A is at a distance of A, so A 0. The coordinates of A will be A 0, and similarly the coordinates of B on y-axis x coordinate 0, 0 B. So now we got that the circle is passing through three given points. Hmm. So let the equation and we will put all these 3 points. We will get F, G, and C, and then we can put the that we did in the first, but here it will be easier because 0, 0 is there. So let the equation of the circle be, and we will put one by one point to get three equations. Let the equation of circle be general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and this is equation number 1. Now a point lies on it, so a, which is a0, lies on 1, so it will satisfy the equation number 1, lies on 1. So x is equal to a, so it will be a, y is equal to 0, this will become 0 plus 2g a y 0 plus c is equal to 0. So you are getting 2ag plus c is equal to minus a square. Equation number 2. Similarly, point B, 0 B also lies on this circle. So when it lies on this circle, so then we can put the values. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to b, so b square plus 2f b plus c is equal to 0. So we get 2bf plus c is equal to minus b square. Equation number 3, and 0, 0 also lies on this one. So 0, 0 origin also lies on 0, 0 also lies on this circle. So when you put 0, 0, x 0, y 0, c is equal to 0. You will get c is equal to 0. So now this c is equal to 0, put in second and third, we get f and g. Put in second and third. Put in second and third. So in equation number second, if you will put c is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, you get 2ag is equal to minus a square, and a will cancel, g will be equal to minus a upon 2. Similarly, when you put in equation number 3, c is equal to 0, you will get 2b f is equal to minus b square, and f will be equal to minus b by 2, and c is equal to 0. So therefore, we got f is equal to minus b by 2, g is equal to minus a by 2, and c is equal to 0. All these values put in first equation, put in first, we get the equation of the required circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx, g is minus a by 2, 2gx plus 2fy, f is minus b by 2y plus c, that is 0, is equal to 0. This 2 and 2 will cancel. We get the equation x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the given circle. This is the required equation of given circle. Okay, so the last 14 question. Find the equation of the circle with center. So this is very easy question where the center is given. Circle having a center. Center is 2, 2. Passing through a point. So P is a point. Its coordinates are given 4 and 5. So as we have done before also, OP is the radius. So center is, if we know center and radius, we can use this formula. It is easy. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this will be preferred here. So radius we can find, radius is the distance between OP. So under root OP, not under root OP, OPV, because OP will be equal to, radius will be equal to the distance between these 2 points. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square will give you the radius. 4 minus 2, 2, 2 square 4, 5 minus 2, 3 square 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So under root 13. So radius of this circle is 13 and hk is already given. H is equal to 2, k is equal to 2. So put in first, we get the equation of the circle. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square root 13. Square root will cancel, or we can write x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 2 square is 4. Again a square minus 2ab 2 to the 4y plus 2 square is equal to 4 is equal to 13. So we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 minus 13 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Last question, does the point lie inside, outside on the, this is the another thing which we have not discussed as of now. So we have to check whether this point, suppose there is a point, any point in question number 15, there is a point A we can take out minus 2.5 and 3.5, minus 2.5 and 3.5, and lie inside or outside the circle is given as x square plus y square is equal to 25. 25 means radius of the circle is 5 square, that is 5. So radius here, the radius of this circle is 5. And center of this circle, what is the center? Center is 0, 0, because x minus h, h is not there, so center is 0, 0. When only x square plus y square is given, that is the center is 0. 2gx, 2fy is not there, so its center is 0 and radius is 5. So from the center, if the distance, you can understand by this, suppose this is the center 0, 0, which is lying on the origin O. If this point, suppose this point is having more than the radius, if the distance of this point is more than the radius, it will lie outside the circle. If the distance from O to A is less than the radius, it will lie inside the circle. If the distance from O center to this point OA is equal to radius, then this will lie on the circle. So we have to find OA. O is what? 0, 0. O is the origin, and A is this point minus 2.5 and 3.5. So we will find the distance OA and compare it with radius of the circle, that is 5. Here r is equal to what? 5. So if it is more than 5, it will lie outside. Less than 5, it will lie inside. Is equal to 5, it will lie on the circle. So OA is the distance that we have to find out. So x2 minus x1 minus 2.5 minus 0, 3.5 minus 0, distance formula x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. Okay, so like this we will, so 2.5 square is 6.25, 6.25. plus 3.5 into 3.5. Total will come 18.5, and 3.5 into 3.5 is equal to 12.25. So total is 18.5. So we have to find the root of 18.5. Root is coming 4.3, which is less than 5. Therefore, point minus 2.5 and 3.5 lies inside the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 25. So that's all for circle part. Now next time we will do parabola.